came into my life, it felt so good, it felt so right. You bring the sun on cloudy days, all the birds sing your praise. Do 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 do. It's your face, your laugh, the way you hear music and the way you dance, but it's your soul.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and we're gonna do a day in the life. It's been a hot minute since we've just, gone around our house and just showed you guys a day in the life as a mom of 3 children. So we're gonna start off with some breakfast. I already have my tea, which is right over here. I got this little strawberry mug from Target. It's so cute. It has a little lid that allows the tea to really concentrate in there. It's amazing. Yeah, and we got another Band-Aid too. Yeah. So we are going to now focus on breakfast. I think I'm gonna do some sandwiches. It's been a while since I've done sandwiches. I feel like we're gonna do some traditional turkey with cheese and egg sandwich. It's been a while. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So breakfast is officially done. I am about to do a little bit of folding laundry. And I'm listening to the Alchemist book, you guys. It has me on a chokehold. I need to know the ending. I'm almost done. I think I'm at like 77%. I've been physically reading. I did get the physical book, and you guys, it's amazing. It's amazing. So we're gonna listen, watch a little bit of Luca movie here to entertain the little one, and yeah, get some laundry done.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow?
think I have like less than 100 pages left, but we have to stop. We will return to this soon enough before bedtime, and we are going to make pizza because it is Pizza Friday, and we are going to be watching Zootopia 2. It's officially on Disney Plus. We've been waiting for this movie since the trailer was released, and my kids would see it all the time everywhere and would be like, not yet, not yet, not yet, because we were not going to go to the theater since my little ones are still kind of small. My oldest probably can sit through the whole thing, but my other ones not so much. So today is the day. As you guys know, I like to make my dough from scratch, so we're going to do that, let it rise, and make our pizza and watch some Zootopia.
Ever since you came into my life, it felt so good, it felt so right. You bring the sun on cloudy days, all the birds sing your praise. Do 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 do. It's your face, your laugh, the way you hear music and the way you dance, but it's your soul that sings to me. I'm here to hold your heart, it's the sweetest gift that I will not drop, and I promise to always stay true. Yeah, I love you so. I love you so.
Here we go.
Don't you know, don't you know, no, no, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, no, no, that I love you so. Even in the middle of the night you shine so bright. True beauty, a wondrous sight of everlasting light.
Alright, you guys, it is time for bed. I finished Alchemized. What a tragic story. Like, if you haven't read this, it is a dark romance, but very tragic. Yeah, what a roller coaster. And what an ending. Huh. I gotta think about it more. But this completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.